if you've been seeing ads everywhere claiming Vital Boost 40 gummies can instantly boost male energy, stamina, libido, and overall performance with just one tasty gummy a day, then this review is important to watch because the marketing sounds almost too good to be true. And that's exactly where the confusion starts. Vital Boost 40 gummies are promoted as a simple, pill-free men's wellness solution that supposedly works without prescriptions or lifestyle changes. But when you look at the actual formula, the reality is far less dramatic. These gummies contain common supplement ingredients like B vitamins, zinc, maca root, tongkat ali, and ashwagandha, which are widely used in general wellness products and are not unique, groundbreaking, or clinically proven to treat erectile dysfunction, significantly boost testosterone, or create major performance changes on their own. Because this product comes in gummy form, the ingredient dosages are typically quite low and heavily diluted with sugars, flavoring agents, and fillers, which limits any meaningful physiological impact. The website presentation also raises concerns, relying on fake-looking reviews, questionable doctor endorsements, AI-generated images, and aggressive limited-time discounts designed to create urgency rather than trust. There are also misleading implications around FDA approval, even though the FDA does not approve dietary supplements and no independent clinical studies are provided to back up the bold claims being made. On top of that, similar formulas under different brand names have been circulating online for years, with many users reporting minimal or no noticeable changes at all. In the end, Vital Boost 40 gummies may function as a basic multivitamin-style supplement for general wellness, but the marketing promises go far beyond what the ingredients can realistically deliver, making it essential for buyers to manage expectations and carefully evaluate whether the product aligns with their actual needs before purchasing.